Today we'll be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 236 different strategies, with 75 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 125 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,001 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Okay, as I said, today we'll be testing a Forex day trading strategy. So the source video says 100% accurate buy, sell, TradingView indicator strategy, best trading indicator for scalping. And so of course we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. Now, we immediately know that no indicator, no strategy is going to be 100% accurate. You're going to take a losing trade at some point. And so obviously we know that part of the title isn't very true. But we'll go ahead and put the rest of this to the test to see if it has the ability to be profitable or not. So we'll just go ahead and hide those two indicators there for now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the whole suite indicator. It's going to be this one right here. So you'll add that to the screen and you'll go ahead and jump into the settings, and under the input of this one, we're going to change the length right here to 25, and the higher time frame, we're just going to go ahead and change that to chart, and you can click OK. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the range filter buy sell indicator, the range filter buy sell 5 minute, this one right here. So you'll click on that one and again go ahead and jump into the settings, and under the range multiplier you're going to go ahead and change that to 2, and you can jump into the style on this one and you're going to turn off all these selections here, all these two or these two selections, and all you're going to leave on screen is going to be the values, the buy and the sell signal. The buy signal, you can go ahead and change that to green, and the sell signal, you can change that to red. Click OK and you should have as I see on screen now. And so what we're looking for with a sell signal or a short signal is we are looking for the sell tag right here, and that is the range filter. Let's see if I toggle that on and off. That's the range filter giving us that buy tag or sell tag. In this case it's a sell tag. And then what we are looking for is the whole suite line here to also be red. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see that it's just switched to red right there. And if I turn this back on, you can see that it kind of hides it. But what we can do is if we hover over this candle right here, and then we look at these coordinates right above my mouse, you can see that when I'm in the area that's green, those numbers there are green. And when I hover over an area that is red, those numbers are red. And so it's an easy way to tell whether it's red or green without having to turn on and off the tags. And so we get the red sell tag, and we have a red, let's just call it a moving average line, red moving average line. When those two line up, that's going to be your signal to enter into a short. Just take your trade right there, put your stop just right above. We'll go ahead and just put it right above that swing there, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. So we'll be right about there. Let's play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so it takes just a little bit, but we eventually make our way down there, getting us to our take profit. Alright, and for a long trade, again, what we're looking for is going to be that tag there, the buy tag in this case, the green buy tag, and then we are looking for the moving average line to also be green. Again, if I hover over this bar right here, and look at these coordinates, the numbers right above my mouse there, you can see in this case they are green. They are confirming that that moving average line has turned green. It's kind of hard to see, but you can barely see it kind of poking out here behind that candle in the green coloration. And so when those line up there, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long. Put our trade there, stop just right below that swing, and we'll target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Right there should be good. Let's play this forward and see what we get. Alright, and once again, we make a pretty decent little push there, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 10 winning trades and 40 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 20% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $6,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $16,000 for an overall loss of $10,000 altogether. Definitely not 100% accurate, and definitely not the best trading indicator for scalping or trading in general. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 15 trades. We had 13 winning trades and 2 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $1,800 for an overall gain of $6,000 altogether. Now again, only 15 trades, and that's because this strategy just over traded so fast that it was really hard to get any kind of real decent test or spread out the Academy of Forex indicator at all. And so, but still, $6,000 gain, $6,000 profit from the Academy of Forex indicator is definitely a lot better in this case. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs. And this one crypto coin, this is on the 30-minute time frame. We keep track each week of the trades that the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 6 trades altogether, 4 winning trades, 2 losing trades. A 66% win rate would have been a gain of $840. On the crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 1 winning trade, 2 losing trade, only a 33% win rate. Would have been a drawdown of $960. And so overall for the week, we would have been down $120. Just a slight little bitty red week there. So at the 19-week total now, we would have been at $37,060 over 165 trades. You can see more information about the strategy here, some more stats on it, and the growth of the equity there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. This one's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.